Hi, and welcome to Paintless Dent Removal by TriDENT PDR. Here's a quick before and after of some extreme impact damage that we were recently asked to rectify. This was a customer's lease car due for return, which would have resulted in a substantial cost. As you can see, we have multiple impacts to the driver's door caused by another vehicle reversing. 80% of this damage was located in the region of the internal crash bracing, meaning very restricted access to the back of the panel, and thus making this a very complex removal. After a total of around 5 to 6 hours working the metal with both a glue pulling technique and working the metal from behind the panel, we can take a look at the finished results. After we completed the dent removal, all scratches and marks were removed by South Yorkshire's premier detailing company, Atom Detailing, and we're pleased to say this lease car passed its return inspection with flying colours. If you've suffered minor dings or large impact damage, make TriDENT PDR your first call on 0330 400 53 63.